Have you ever wondered what life is like as an international student in Sweden? Well, lucky you, because today I'm going to show you a day in my life. Now that I've done my morning preparations, I'm ready to start my day with breakfast. Did you know that Oatly is actually a Swedish brand? They even have their headquarters in Malmö. Oh, I can never open this freezer. It's time to get croissant. It's not easy. I always like to start off my day with quite a big breakfast because now I'm studying from home. And on this particular day I had one scrambled egg, one croissant and a small yogurt bowl with some fruit. So now that my breakfast is ready, I'm going to eat, and while I do that I'm going to do some work for university. Most of the time I like to prepare for the lecture by reading through some course literature or some articles, or rewatching a pre-recorded lecture. Okay, so now that I'm done with my breakfast, it's time for my lecture, which is about 2 hours, and after the lecture we go to the gym.
And inside the revolution, there was also this idea of that people's different nationalities should have the right to create their own states if they wanted so.
Only rely upon what you observe yourself and your own needs and benefits.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye! Okay, that's it with the lecture. I'm going to relax for a little bit and then we get ready to head out. Heading to the gym right now, and the cool thing about Swedish gyms is not only they're cheap, but they have a student discount. So I have a 1 full year and I'm only paying like half of the price because I have the student discount. After a good workout, I walk home and continue with the rest of my day. I'm super hungry, which means it's now lunchtime, and I'm not even sure what I'm going to make. I just have to look what we still have in the fridge and then figure something out. But it will be really delicious. It's lunchtime and I made this delicious pita bread filled with a lot of good stuff, and I'm going to devour this before I do some more readings. Due to COVID-19, university has been online since March this year. I have gotten quite used to studying from home, and on this particular day I am preparing for a presentation by reading through some papers and articles. Tell me in the comments what your best tip for studying from home is. We're going to the supermarket right now, and it was just raining, that's why the weather is like this. But we have quite a few groceries to pick up and you can follow along and I will show you all the weird stuff that's in Swedish supermarket. Okay, so right now I'm in the fruits and vegetable aisle, and I have to say that it's a bit more expensive than in other countries, but they have a lot of other stuff that is pretty cheap in comparison. Something I wanted to show you guys. It's really, they have caviar in a tub, and they also have cheese, a lot of weird things, like those little toothpaste tubs. Oh, I found them! Another thing in Sweden is that they have yogurt which is packaged like milk. So it's normal yogurt, but it's in a milk box, and there's a lot of it. Swedes also have a really big and amazing coffee culture. So no matter where you are in the grocery stores, you always have such a big amount of coffee to choose from. And even though I personally don't drink coffee at home, I love all the coffee they have here in the coffee shops. I often get questions about like vegetarian and vegan lifestyle in Sweden. And I just want to show you how amazing the vegetarian selection here is. Okay, now we acquired the goods and a reusable bag. and now we're on our way home, and it already got dark outside, just while we were inside the grocery store. So we're home now, I'm all relaxed, ready to start the night, and I'm going to do a live testing of the cannabis. I mean, I've eaten them before, but also I'm excited to try them again this season. Oh, it's a sticky boy. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. It tastes so much like cinnamon. This is my dinner. Most nights I also do stuff like take care of my Animal Crossing town, do the laundry, water my plants, or do the dishes. Alright, I'm going to start making dinner now, and I will make a nice cozy soup because it's very cold outside. I started with preparing my ingredients, which are sweet potato, potatoes, carrots and butternut squash. I steamed everything until it was soft, fried some onions and garlic, and mixed everything together in a blender. I also added some salt and spices, and it's the most easy student budget-friendly dinner, which I also had with some garlic baguette. Alright, we're now going to watch a movie, which means it's the end of the night, and it also means it's the end of this video. So I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!